Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get blood crystals in Evony. Blood crystals were introduced a recent update along with new features and items. To acquire them, you'll need to focus on resource titles level 13 or higher and have reached the spiritual peace stage, which requires a level 21 keep to unlock the associated pasture. Once these conditions are met, players can collect up to 5 blood crystals daily. By gathering resources from these high level tiles, blood crystals have a very specific purpose. They are only used to improve the seals of your spiritual piece. To gather them efficiently, scan your world map for level 13 or higher resource tiles, then send troops with the highest carrying capacity to collect the resources. Using the search feature at the bottom of the map, you can filter to level 13 tiles and select the type of resource you want, giving you a chance to acquire blood crystals while farming. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.